My first candy apple ever. I know what to do.
What do you know what to do? Lawson, can I see what you got going on?
You'll be just fine.
All right, Landon, what state are we in?
Maryland.
Hey guys, if you've been following our full-time RV journey, you know we've been making our way down the East Coast. Our journeys took us to Annapolis, Maryland, which is not far from our home. During this year, we've been referring to sections of our trip as legs. Leg number 1 was out to Colorado and kind of the Midwest. Leg number 2 is the East Coast. We went up to Maine and kind of made our way down. And Maryland was kind of the last stop on our second leg. We were kind of weary. We were getting a little tired from traveling, a little tired from hooking up and being on the go so much. So we were kind of eager to get home, but we wanted to make sure we made this last stop in Annapolis.
What did you do?
My first candy apple ever.
That is big. I'll be impressed if you finish that.
You're gonna be impressed then.
I think between being tired and it being so close to home, and we've been to Maryland before, kind of took a little bit of our desire to explore in depth away, especially since in the future, if we want to pop back up to Maryland, we can do that really easily. But downtown Annapolis is definitely on our radar. It has some history right there in the downtown area, with little plaques you can read and things to explore. And then it's right down there on the harbor. So there's outdoor dining and really cool downtown spot with restaurants, foods, little shops. So we got to experience a little bit while we were there.
I know what to do.
What do you know what to do? Kind of scare me when you do that.
After a nice stroll downtown Annapolis, we are finding somewhere to eat. It's Annapolis Marina here.
Oh, this looks pretty cool.
Whoa! Wait, get out! 5 seconds!
What's that?
Fanny pack,
I mean, he's got all his gear. Lawson, can I see what you got going on? Let's see. You got your fanny pack. Okay. You got, what's down here? What's going on down here? Are those are cutting off your circulation.
What? Funny? Is it he wakes up in the morning?
And what?
Fanny pack on.
Well, you wake up, if you had a fanny pack, that's what you do. Wake up, fanny pack on, ready to
I
roll.
feel like this was you when you were his age.
I did not have a fanny pack.
We've landed at a place that seems a little fancier than potentially we should be here, but they've been very welcoming.
They have filet mignon on the kids' menu.
Levi's.
Thing that's on that menu, but adult portions.
Give you a quick look of this before it's gone.
What'd you get?
Cauliflower mash and grilled chicken.
Grilled chicken, Lacey's filet mignon, kids salmon.
Chicken pies.
The boys are staying true with their tenders. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and follow the page. You can also hit those 3 buttons there and click follow, then see first so you never miss one of our videos.